This is robcantleyi crossed with spectabilis. It's one of the assorted clones sold under BE-3754. I think this will be a fairly typical plant. It's a large plant hanging in a 12-inch or 30-centimeter diameter pot. And we have 3 leaders on this plant. You can probably see that we've cut this leader off. Idea being to promote growth on the basal leaders to give more pictures and make a more attractive plant, which it has done. There we are. Going back to the first group of pictures, it's rotating the plant a little. The female parent is Nepenthes robcantleyi, which gives size and breadth to the picture peristomes. And the male parent is the Perkinson giant form of Nepenthes spectabilis, which I think is the most spectacular spectabilis we've ever seen, which gives rise to this very handsome cross. So there we go. This is the first time we've taken a video of this particular item, robcantleyi cross spectabilis.